Under the Output tab, click the Add green button here, and there will be a list of selection for various country templates. Since I intend to compile an EU SDS, I will click here and name the template as EU test, and proceed to save. You can have any number of these templates. If you want a further one, you can create here. I will rename as EU test 2. And if you want to create a GBSDS, you can create as this. You can have a maximum of 10 of these templates for each product created. To edit, you can click the pencil here, and you will get into the SDS out. On the left here, you may add the revision number and sections affected as applicable for your SDS. My demo product is a first compilation, so I will add as revision 1. And the sections affected will be 1 to 16, which covers all the sections. And I will proceed to click Save. You may roughly see the SDS content where the data that was added in the tabs are now displayed in the relevant sections. But Section 8.1, OEL, and Section 15 here will be auto-triggered based on the internal system inputs. Now we are getting into the function to edit the output itself. If you wish to edit the existing phrase triggered in the template, which are in blue highlighted here, you may do so. For example, I wish to change the phrase here, so I will click this phrase and click Strike Out here. Next, I will click the pencil phrase here and search for the phrase that I wish to add. This is the expanded text that I wish to add, so I'll pull it here. I will show another example. I wish to add it here as well, so I will strike out this phrase and I will search here. This is the phrase that I wish to add, so I will pull it here. You may search for the phrases here as shown just now. Or if the system doesn't have the phrase that you're searching for, you can click this green button here and add the phrase under English and proceed to click Save. Or if you have the translation for the particular phrase that you're adding, you can add in the relevant language here and click Save. Now the phrase that you're searching will be available in the system to be pulled into the output. Once you have edited the template, you may click Save here. Your template will load, and the phrases that are added will be published. You may run to the section here, and you can see that this section has already been edited.